I just wanted to let you know that there is a book about bird songs, and you can listen to the bird sounds in the book. They have different songs with different meanings. Bucephala clangula, kvinan in Norwegian. This is the sound it makes when it takes off from the water, so it's very easy to recognize which bird it is when it lifts off. If you have this book, you should not use it outside because you will confuse the birds. If you're playing the warning song of some bird, then you can scare the others. It's not very nice. But what is great about this book is that it actually has a jack exit. So you can plug headphones with it. And if you Google bird song book with audio, you can find it in English too.